Welcome to TechCat, and today we will learn how to create a new account on computer. So without wasting the time, let's start the topic. Firstly, you have to open the control panel. Okay, then you can see here is the option user accounts. Click on that. Okay, then go to user accounts. You can see here is the option manage another account. Click on that. Okay, then go to add a new user in PC settings. You can see here are my two accounts which are already added in my PC. Then I go to add a new user in PC settings. Okay. Then you can see here is the option add someone else to this PC. I click on that. Okay, then go to I don't have the person sign in information. Then go to add a user without a Microsoft account. Okay. Then fill the options. Here is the username. TechCat. Okay. Then here is the password. I choose the password. Then retype the password. Okay. Then you can see here are some questions for security purpose. In case you forget your password, then where is the security question 1? What is your first pet name? I write Alex. Okay, it's mandatory to fill the all options. What is the name of the city where you were born? Then for third question, I'll also fill that. Sorry, here my passwords are not matched. Okay, then I click on next. You can see here is my new user is header. Okay, then I change the account type. Here are two options, standard and administrator. It depends on you which you want to create the account type. I take it as standard user. It's okay. Sorry. Okay. If you want to delete the account, then click on remove. Here is alert box, delete account and data. I click on delete account. You can see my account is deleted. So friends, I hope you learned how to create a new user in your PC or laptop. If you like this video, then share this video and also subscribe my channel TechCat, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the more notifications of the videos. Thank you.